Can you solve this equation? We have -7 plus x equals -6. This means there is a certain value that, when added to -7, results in -6. Let's find out what that value is. To solve for x, we need to isolate it on one side of the equation. This involves eliminating -7. The opposite of subtracting 7 is adding 7, so we add 7 to both sides of the equation. On the left side, -7 plus 7 cancels out, leaving just x. On the right side, -6 plus 7 equals +1. So the solution is x equals to 1. That's our final answer. Now let's verify it by substituting x equals 1 back into the original equation. Wherever we see x, we replace it with 1 and check if both sides remain equal. On the left-hand side, -7 plus 1 equals -6. On the right-hand side, we already have -6. Since both sides are equal, our solution is correct.